This is the day in life of a Samoan CEO. Woke up early to get ready for a funeral. The funeral was a couple hours away, so we made sure to get up early and get ready. It was a lovely event. Always good to see people we haven't seen for a long time, but it always seems that we're seeing them at funerals, which has been a sad event, but it was great to see them anyway. Then I got a new outfit and went and watched Tina with my mum and my sister. Enjoy the Victoria Pacifica class.